Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep all parts organized. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the power source to ensure safety while you work. Lay the vacuum on its side to access the cable entry point. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the cover where the cable enters the machine. There are typically 3 screws, so be sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the cover. This will expose the internal wiring and the cable connection. You might notice some dust and debris inside. It's a good idea to clean this area with a dry cloth or compressed air to ensure optimal performance after the repair. Next, locate the cable connector. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the connector if it's secured tightly. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. If the cable is frayed or damaged, take your wire cutters and cut the old cable close to the connector. Now, take your new replacement cable. Strip the ends of the new cable to expose about ½ an inch of copper wire. You will need to connect these wires to the corresponding terminals in the connector. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can help you with the entire process. Carefully insert the stripped wires into the correct terminals and secure them tightly. Make sure the connections are solid to prevent any future issues. Once you've connected the new cable, tuck it neatly inside the vacuum body. Now, it's time to reattach the cover. Align it properly over the entry point and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. Before testing your vacuum, give it a final cleaning. Check for any loose parts or debris that may have accumulated during the process. If you need assistance or don't have the tools for this task, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassles. Once you are satisfied with the assembly, plug the vacuum back in and test it out. Ensure that the new cable functions properly and that the vacuum operates without any issues. Lastly, if you followed these steps but encounter problems, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We can provide you with options tailored to your needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient repair process. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.